All right. Also with this rejected judgment. So this was a Torrance rejected judgment they took over. That was one of the issues. There's multiple issues with their case, and I want to talk about. And this is not just with Torrance. This is not just with LA County. This is going to apply to all courts. Is I keep hounding on you guys to please do not file your property declarations, the FL 160s, when you have an amicable divorce. It causes all kinds of problems. The rejected what the reject sheet that LA County provided for this case was saying that they were not addressing all of the assets and debts they had listed in their property declarations that they previously filed, both for on the petitioner side and on the respondent side. And specifically, what had happened is because their judgment was being rejected multiple times, that they actually had sold their house before they submitted their judgment to court. So, but when they filed for divorce, it hadn't been sold yet. They put in their property declarations to say, hey, 50% of XYZ house. But when it came time to do their judgment, the house had already sold, so they didn't feel the need to list that in the settlement agreement. And that was one of the reasons the judgment was rejected, because they didn't list the house that was in the property declaration. So if you find yourself in that situation where you've already filed the property declarations, but then property no longer exists, it could be a vehicle, a credit card, anything you listed on the property declaration, even if it's gone, you still need to address it in the settlement agreement and put in there who kept it, or if it was sold, or whatever the case might be. So if you haven't filed your property declarations and your case is amicable, just don't do it. It'll save you a lot of problems from happening.